Hey everyone, this is Caterina Christakos, and today I'm going to give you my review of Vidnami. Now, for those of you who have been around for a bit, Vidnami used to be called Content Samurai. It's the exact same tool, they've just renamed it. So, let me show you what this is. This is a video creator where you don't actually have to be on camera. You don't even have to use your own voice if you don't want to. The whole thing is done for you. And as you can see, I've made a lot of videos with this. It's one of my favorite tools. So let's just go in and create a video. So you click there and you've got all these different templates. I typically like this one if I was doing like a YouTube video, but they also have different styles like this. So if you want to do a Pinterest video or an Instagram video, you've got different choices. They also have different types. This is content videos, influencer video, instant ads, which is very cool, right? Sales videos, course training videos, property videos, and then custom templates. Let's just do a content video. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click this one. Use this template. Now what you're going to want to do is give this a title and then paste in the script. So let me find a script that I want to use. And I'm just going to call this a weight loss hypnosis script. Just weight loss hypnosis. You don't need that. Now create scenes, and it's going to go in and it's going to automatically propagate the entire video with video clips. And you can use these video clips. It's royalty free. You just have to put a little snippet of text in your description when you upload it. So I put this in here. Great. If there's one that you don't like, you can click here and then go lose weight. Okay. Okay. I like the same one for here. Or no, let's switch it up to this one. Let's try this. Alright, I'm going back to that one. Here. And you see how this works, right? So let's say I like the whole thing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to, let me just finish this one. Okay, so we've done all that. Now we're going to go to add voice track. Now, remember how I said you don't even have to put your own voice on this? Auto voice. I'm going to go, I always like the United Kingdom. That's good. Preview your video. And if I wanted to put my own voice in, you just click voice and you can record right here. We're going to use their voice. And let's see how this sounds.
Hi, I am Emily. For years I struggled with my weight, thin, fat. It felt like I was on a roller coaster.
Okay, I like the sound of the voice. The thin, fat needs to be fixed. So I would just go back into my script. edit script. Create scenes, and go back in and we do it again. And then you just go back and make sure that the whole thing sounded good.
Hi, I am Emily. For years I struggled with my weight, thin, fat, thin, fat. It felt like I was on a roller coaster. It seemed like my friends could lose weight but that I couldn't.
So, you see how easy that was? You didn't have to be on camera, you didn't have to film anything, you didn't even have to say anything. All you need is a script put in, and it will fix it for you. And then if you like it, you can say looks good. If it was not on the correct slide and you wanted to manually adjust it, you can do that right here. And then when you're done, you just click download, and you can generate the video. One more thing I want to show you is, let me go to voice. Actually, when we go to preview, it's got music in the background. You can change that music. So let's do cinematic, and then let's try that.
Hi, I am Emily. For years I struggled with my weight, thin, fat, thin, fat. It felt like I was on a roller coaster. It seemed like my friends could lose weight but that I couldn't.
Okay. And if you didn't like her voice, you can just go back to voice, and let's say we wanted this to be, let's try an American. Say Anna, preview your video. You can have an American voice. If you wanted it to be a man, to be a male voice. As you can tell, there's different accents. So there's a lot of things you can do with the software. I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites because it makes my life so much easier. All right, that's it. If this is interesting to you, you can get a free trial for it by clicking the link below. Have a fantastic day. Bye.